Hello everyone. So in today's video we are going to see how we can run SQL without installing anything. So yes, you heard it right. We can run SQL or practice SQL without installing any software because there are various tools available on the internet itself. Some of them you are not aware of. So I can show you that tools in the video itself. So stay tuned till the end of the video to see what are the various tools. So we have various tools available on the internet to use them. Why? But first of all, why we are using free tools? Uh, like we can download it, right? But what if my laptop is not supporting? My RAM is not compatible with the software. That could be a problem, right? So in that scenario, you can use the tools. Yeah, it's very simple. Just go to your browser and search for the tools, and boom, you can get the websites available on the internet, and you can write the code or write the queries. Sometimes your system is not supporting the software, or else system is not compatible. System's performance is getting bad or something like that. In that case, you can use the tools. So first we have W3Schools free editor. The next we have LeetCode editor, and the third is SQLBolt interactive lessons. So first is W3Schools free editor. Personally, in my college days, I have been using the W3Schools very often. Like if there any standalone query or standalone application or query is there, if I have to check, I had used W3 School. And the next is LeetCode editor. LeetCode. So when you met a person who is a great coder or who is passionate about coding, you can ask him. You can ask him what the LeetCode is and what the LeetCode has helped you in growing your skills. LeetCode is a master to teach you to improve your performance in the coding or to improve your knowledge about the coding. They have given us so many problems to solve the community. They have some they have user who they can contribute to the code. This is the fantastic platform. I really love this platform, and the UI is also very much techy. Like when you enter that enter their web page, you can see that their UI is very much techy, and it will give you some coding vibes here and there, because as a coder we like dark mode and some techy vibes to work on. And that's the there's the one feature I like about that is they have some problems. Like they have various problems from easy to medium to hard difficulty. So you can always improve your skills according to that. You can always improve your level from easy to hard. You can get it done by doing practice every day. So do not forget to do that. Do practice every day, and also don't forget to enhance your skills. Okay. The next is SQL Bolt interactive lessons. So this is also new to me, but I have used that. The feature I liked about that is when I write a query, it will automatically present the output data. You just a key away from that. Okay, let's see this one by one. Now we'll see how the LeetCode is. SQL very practice. So we have various problems available. Right. We'll see one problem here. As you can see, we have the users table in it. they have given us problem here, and here we have written well. Input is this, and output should be user ID, name, and email. The mail of user 2 does not have a domain. The mail of user 5 has a hash and is not allowed. So let's see. Write a solution to find users who have valid emails. A valid email has a prefix name and a domain where the prefix name is a string that may contain letter, upper and lowercase, digits, underscore, period, and dash. The prefix name must start with letter. The domain is LeetCode. Return the result table in any order. So this is how we have the table, and we have to find the email in which, like, it is having the valid email. It does not start from any special characters, or it does not contain any special character. Okay, so let's write a query here. Okay, so we'll solve this problem. We need user ID, name, and email. Name and email. They have column name mail. From we have table users where mail. We need to use regex in this. Then we also need A to Z and 0 to 9, like numerical characters, right? I'll explain this command to you once I finish this. And we need domain also. Need and dollar, which symbols end of string. Let's see if we get the result or not. Just a second, I'm connecting. Now run this. Hope it will run now. There is so much trouble. Okay, so this is how the regex command. What happens is, meantime this runs, I explain what is the regex. The query checks each email using pattern first, right? It makes sure the email starts with a letter. Then it allows letters, numbers, dots, underscore, or hyphens in the middle, in which we have mentioned. What is the problem with the net? And finally, it ensures the email gets exactly what we have mentioned, the LeetCode domain. And that's how we filter out valid emails. Guys, this is so unfair to me because I don't know why my internet is behaving like this. Oh, hola, babe. So we got our result. Except it, we got the user ID, name, and the mail, in which we have we have all the valid email IDs. Okay, so yeah, this was the LeetCode, and now we will see the SQLBolt interactive lessons. And so now we'll see the W3Schools first. We just have to type W3Schools Editor first. I have searched that. Here is the official link, W3Schools Online Web Tutorial, SQL Tutorial. They have various languages to learn, and this is very user-friendly UI. If you're new to the technology, or if you are new to the coding, this is where you can see the topics which you want to learn, because they have from basic to advanced version of it. You can see their topics, SQL, etc. So we were seeing the editor, right? Here you can see this kind of box in it. You just have to try it yourself. It will give you to the another tab. They have various tables over here. In this database, they have customer table, categories, employees. So we'll stick to the customer table. This is the table they have, right? And for that, they have given a space to write a query. So this is the basic query. Select asterisk from customers, semicolon. So what happens when you run this query? It will show you all the data from the customer table. They have 91 records. You can see the 91 records in it. Okay. So if I want to customer name and contact name, if I want to show the customer name and the contact name, I just have select customer name, comma, contact name from customer. So we'll run this. See, we got the data. We got the table column, customer name and the contact name. You can type the query here. You have the various tables over here provided by them. So it's easy to understand and easy to learn and easy to practice. So next we have hello. So this is what I have searched in my browser, SQLBolt interactive lessons, and we should go to the first link itself. This is how the UI looks like. It is easy to learn and also easy to read, and this is creating the learning atmosphere when you hit the URL lookers. So this is what the tables, movies, which we can use for running the queries. So the query editor here, I'll just simply enhance it where here is greater than 1995. Hola. See, you can see the about table. I have got all the movies which have released after 1995. And if I want title, we got the title also. Title, comma, year. And we got the year. See, this is how magic works. SQL is nothing but a magic. What happens to me, and this is how you can use this tools. So let's brief this short. We have seen 3 different tools: W3Schools, LeetCode, and SQLBolt interactive lessons. So there are different UIs, different SQL editors. You can use them for free to practice the SQL queries, which is short, interactive, and also to enhance your skills. And it can surely help you to grow more in SQL, because SQL is a key or a key to your success or door to your other departments. Like if you want to go to the data analyst, data scientist field, the SQL is a must learn concepts. So thank you so much. Stay tuned for the more video, and also do comment on this video if you have tried this and whatever the difficulties you are facing while using this. We'll also try to solve your problems. Thank you so much.